Ndewonu, Umoma, I am so happy to see you. Welcome to another time with Teacher Princess. I am delighted to have you in today's video. Today, we're going to take our Igbo learning to a different angle. We're going to read a short story, we're going to ask questions, we're going to answer questions. The essence of this is to show you different scenarios and create scenarios for you to practice your Igbo speaking skills, especially speaking. So make sure that as you listen, as you read, you are reading it out. As you hear the questions, you're saying it out. As you hear the answers, you're saying it out. Do this as often as possible for you to practice better. Have you liked this video? You have to like, you have to share, you have to subscribe. Please support our channel by liking, by sharing, by subscribing. It makes us know that you value this content and it gives us the strength to keep bringing it to you. Okay? Now, let's go to class.
Okay, children, we're here now. So, like I said earlier, the title of our story, or reading a story rather, and the title of that story is nnam, my father's food. Nnam, my father's food. It's an Igbo story that has questions. So by this story, or rather from this story, we're going to learn how to read some Igbo words. We're going to learn how to ask questions in Igbo. We're also going to learn how to respond in Igbo language. You can see nnam, my father's food. Now let's go. Before we go further, we're going to learn a couple of words, some words that form a part of our vocabulary, all right? And then this is osikapa. Can you say with me, osikapa? Osikapa is rice. You can see the rice, right? That's osikapa. Osikapa. Again, osikapa. The next one we're going to look at is this. This is the chicken. Chicken is called okuko. Can you say with me, okuko? So chicken in Igbo is okuko. 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 The next one we're going to look at is this person. I can see this person in the kitchen cooking. And then to cook is isinri. Say with me, isinri. Again, isinri, to cook. Now here, we see these people here. And they are farmers. I think they are on the farm, right? What do you think? Yeah, they are on the farm, so they are farmers. So how do we say farmers in Igbo? We say onyorubo. Can you say with me? Onyorubo. Again, onyorubo. I made an entire video for jobs, the names of jobs, the list of jobs in Igbo. You want to go back to this channel and find it and watch it if you haven't done so, okay? Onyorubo is a farmer. And this place, like you can see here, is a market. A market is called ahia. Say with me, ahia. Again, ahia. A market is called ahia. All right, now let's go to our story. The first thing we see here is this. We're reading the story in Igbo first. Say with me, aha nnam bụ Azubike. Again, aha nnam bụ Azubike. It means my dad's name is Azubike. Ọ bụ onye ọrụ ugbo. Say with me, ọ bụ onye ọrụ ugbo. He is a farmer. Ọ na-akọ nri n'ugbo anyị. I'll say it slowly again. Say with me. Ọ na-akọ nri n'ugbo anyị. He plants crops on our farm. Ọ na-akọ nri n'ugbo anyị. The next is osikapa na anụ ọkụkọ na amasị nnam. I'll say it again. Osikapa na anụ ọkụkọ na amasị nnam. It simply means that my dad likes rice and chicken, especially the meat, right? Chicken meat, just like we have in the picture here. Now say with me again. Osikapa na anu ọkụkọ na-amasị nnam. Now I'm going to read the entire sentence again from top to bottom, and I want you to read it with me, okay? Just listen and read. Aha nna m bụ Azụbụike. Ọ bụ onye ọrụ ugbo. Ọ na-akọ nri n'ugbo anyị. Osikapa na anụ ọkụkọ na-amasị nna m. All right, so you know the meaning is just right here on this other side, right? Now let's answer a few questions about this page we've learned from. Gịnị bụ aha nna ya? Gịnị bụ aha nna ya? I want you to think. Gịnị bụ aha nna ya? What's her dad's name? Gịnị bụ aha nna ya? Can you try to frame your answer in Igbo? Gịnị bụ aha nna ya? I'm going to give you a chance to do that. You can pause it to try out and see if you are able to get it right. All right, now I go to the answer. Aha nna ya bụ Azụbụike. Say with me. Aha nna ya bụ Azụbụike. Her dad's name is Azụbụike. Aha nna ya bụ Azụbụike. Very good. Ọzọ dị ka ịbịa bụ gịnị? The question we have next is, gịnị bụ ọrụ nna ya? Say it with me. Gịnị bụ ọrụ nna ya? And it means, what's her dad's job? Gịnị bụ ọrụ nna ya? What's her dad's job? Okay? Can you try to frame the answer? We already learned it. We said what the dad's job was, right? Gịnị bụ ọrụ nna ya? I want you to try to say if you can get it by yourself. Okay, now let me tell you the answer. The answer is nna ya bụ onye ọrụ ugbo. Say with me. Nna ya bụ onye ọrụ ugbo. Her dad is a farmer. Nna ya bụ onye ọrụ ugbo. Good. Let's go to the next. The next is the next question. This question here says, kedu ihe na-amasị nna ya? Kedu ihe na-amasị nna ya? One more time. Kedu ihe na-amasị nna ya? What does her dad like? Can you talk about it? There's already a picture clue. Can you tell me what her dad likes from what we just read? Kedu ihe na-amasị nna ya? Try to frame your sentence before I give you the answer. So I say, osikapa na ọkụkọ na-amasị nna ya. Osikapa na ọkụkọ. It's not just ọkụkọ, ordinary ọkụkọ. It's actually anụ ọkụkọ, right? Osikapa na anụ ọkụkọ na-amasị nna ya, right? So we have that point here at osikapa, and chicken meat is what her dad likes. Now say it with me one more time. Osikapa na anụ ọkụkọ. Osikapa na anụ ọkụkọ na-amasị nna ya. Very good. Well done. Beautiful. Amazing. Now let's move on. We're going to read the next sentence. I want you to read with me slowly. And that sentence says, taa, nna m gara ahịa. Taa, nna m gara ahịa. It means today, my dad went to the market. Let's read again. Taa, nna m gara ahịa. Ọ zụtara osikapa. Ọ zụtara osikapa. Say it with me. Ọ zụtara osikapa. He bought rice. Na anụ ọkụkọ. He bought rice and chicken. Chicken meat. So the chicken that we're going to cook and then make it into rice and chicken meat, right? Ọ zụtara osikapa na anụ ọkụkọ. He bought rice and chicken. Now let's say from top to bottom together. I'm going to go. Taa, nna m gara ahịa. Ọ zụtara osikapa na anụ ọkụkọ. Very good. Ọ zụtara osikapa na anụ ọkụkọ. Amazing. Moving on to the next one. We're going to answer a few questions from this particular page, all right? The first question we have is this. Please read with me. Ebee ka nna ya gara? Ebee ka nna ya gara? Ebee ka nna ya gara? Where did her father go to? Ebee ka nna ya gara? Can you tell me where he went to? Can you say it in Igbo? Don't tell me in English. No English answers here. Say it in Igbo. Try to frame it in Igbo. All right. Ebee ka nna ya gara? Where did her father go to? Can you guess? Can you say it? Now let me tell you the answer. Nna ya gara ahịa. Say it with me again. Nna ya gara ahịa. Nna ya gara ahịa. Good. Now the next question is, gịnị ka nna ya zụtara? Say it with me. Gịnị ka nna ya zụtara? What did her father buy? Gịnị ka nna ya zụtara? Can you frame it? You can see the picture clue in the book already. Just tell me what you think is the answer. Gịnị ka nna ya zụtara? Have you gotten it? Now let me tell you. Ọ zụtara osikapa na ọkụkọ. Say it with me. Ọ zụtara osikapa na ọkụkọ. One more time. Ọ zụtara osikapa na ọkụkọ. Beautiful. Now let's go to the next part of our story. And then we have mụ na mama m siri nri anyị n'ime usekwu. I'm going to say it again. Mụ na mama m, say it with me. Mụ na mama m, my mom and I. That's what it means. It means my mom and I. Mụ na mama m siri nri anyị, cooked our food. Siri nri anyị means cooked our food. N'ime usekwu, in the kitchen. Now let's say it again. Mụ na mama m siri nri anyị n'ime usekwu. Mụ na mama m siri nri anyị n'ime usekwu. My mom and I cooked our food in the kitchen. Now, we're about to answer another question. This question says, Mmadụ ole siri nri ahụ? Mmadụ ole siri nri ahụ? Again, mmadụ ole siri nri ahụ? How many people cooked the food? How many people cooked the food? And our answer says, mmadụ abụọ siri nri ahụ. Two people cooked the food, right? Mmadụ abụọ siri nri ahụ. This answer means that two people cooked the food, the girl and her mom. Now say with me one more time. Mmadụ abụọ siri nri ahụ. Two people cooked that food. Now the next question we have is, ebee ka ha nọ were si ya? Ebee ka ha nọ were si ya? Where did they cook the food? Ebee ka ha nọ were si ya? And we say, ha siri ya n'ime usekwu. Say with me, ha siri ya n'ime usekwu. For the last time, ha siri ya n'ime usekwu. They cooked it in the kitchen. Where did they cook the food? They cooked it in the kitchen. Now let's read this one. This is another part of our reading. Oh, so yummy. This is so good. Have you liked this video? Have you shared it? If you haven't, this is a good place to pause, like it, share it, and subscribe. And if you're just watching this video, you have not subscribed, oh, you're missing out. You want to join our family. You want to join all of us as we progress and increase and improve our English skills. I want to see you hit that subscribe button, like it, and share right away. Now let's read. It means the food was very delicious. So yummy. Nri ahụ dị ezigbo ụtọ. Say with me again. Nri ahụ dị ezigbo ụtọ. If you find out that your accent is not the same thing with mine, or you're not getting your pronunciation right, and you want to work on that, then you may need to subscribe for our lessons in class, because I teach you, I break it down for you in a lot more simpler way, and then you get to practice your sounds each time you have to learn. All right, now let's go on. That means the food was very delicious. The next one says, niile nwere obi ụtọ. Anyị niile nwere obi ụtọ. We all were happy. All of us were happy. We're happy because the food was so yummy. Even if I eat this food, if I give you this food to eat, will you not be very happy? I think you will because it's yummy. Ọ dị ezigbo ụtọ. Okay? Dị ezigbo ụtọ. Anyị niile nwere obi ụtọ. All of us were happy, our hearts were glad, and all of that. Now, I have a question for you, and I want you to tell me the answer in Igbo. Nri ahụ ọ dị ụtọ? Nri ahụ ọ dị ụtọ? Was the food sweet? Was it delicious? Nri ahụ ọ dị ụtọ? What should you say? Nri ahụ tọrọ ụtọ. Can you say it again? Nri ahụ tọrọ ụtọ. You can even also say nri ahụ dị ụtọ. Yes. Nri ahụ dị ụtọ. All right. Now let's move on. What I want to ask you is, what is your favorite food? Kedu nri kacha amasị gị? What is your favorite food? Kedu nri kacha amasị gị? Is your favorite food rice and chicken, osikapa na anụ ọkụkọ? Or is it beans? Is it agwa? Is it akpụ na ofe egusi ma ọ bụ ofe onugbu? Tell me in the comments what your favorite food is. You have done so well. So say for the last time, nri ahụ dị ezigbo ụtọ.
How was that? Hope you participated fully. Now, the good news is that you can get a copy of this material that you just learned and maybe download it, print it out, and learn it on your own at home. We have made provisions for you to do that. Pick it up from our seller store. The link is right below in this video. Once you pick it up, you just print it out and practice it often on your own. The essence is for you to speak Igbo often. Don't forget, the essence of learning is for you to speak. If you are not speaking at all, you're wrong. If you want opportunities to practice, or you want a more formal curriculum that will help you understand everything about the Igbo language and how to construct your sentences, then you can come in and book a session with us and we'll let you know how to go about it. All right, this will be all for this week. I hope to have you next week. Please continue speaking Igbo. Until then, Makanagini Igbo Amaka Kodi.